Hey, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. So it's 4th of July. See the flags? I just got a call last night from a tree guy that I've been talking to, and they asked if they could go ahead and get started on this project that I need done. So they're going to do it today. They're supposed to show up any minute. That being said, we had a huge storm blow through about a week ago, and they clocked winds at 105 miles an hour. Can you believe that? So, as he was walking around, he showed me another tree that actually is leaking black water out of it. And that's this tree right behind me here. I hate to lose it, but it's not worth the risk. But most importantly, I've got this huge tree right beside the man cave. There's the roof of the man cave and the deck and everything. And this tree right here goes up and forks. And that limb is humongous, and it goes way out. And there's a lot of weight right here, and I'm really concerned about that. If that tree was to split right there in a storm, it would be devastating. It would mow the man cave completely to the ground probably. So anyway, they're going to get started in a minute. I'm going to capture some footage because these guys do everything old school. They're not bringing lift or anything in here. They use tree gaffs, harnesses, ropes and lines, and they're going to come in here and be climbing up in these trees like monkeys, and I'm excited to see it happen. I'll try to capture all the footage I can for you. I'll be back with you in just a minute. Okay guys, so you'll notice behind me the crew is here, and I'm telling you, these are some working men right here. You got to take your hat off. This is work. And these guys are knockers. I'm telling you, man, absolute studs. And they're getting ready to get started on this. I am so excited. Alright guys, this is Cody Stewart. Got A to Z Construction. Are you guys based out of Tulsa or Claremore?
Nope, out Pryor.
Out of Pryor. And you need any work done on trees, you just watch in a minute, man. These guys are getting ready to hammer it. Anyway, I appreciate you guys showing up, and we're getting ready to rock and roll. This is amazing. They're making quick work of this, guys. Alright guys, took a little break. getting ready to get back after it. I'm telling you, I told you that these guys are hammers. Now, I'm not kidding you. Hard-working guys. I have deep respect for guys that work as hard as these guys do for a living. And now they're getting ready to get started on that tree right there. Anyway, let's see what happens. All right. So this tree is going to come completely down. It's hollow and leaking water. I really hate to lose this. That's been a big, beautiful tree. Say hi. Back down to the ground we go. All right, guys, now is when it gets tricky. They cut the top out of it, and now they're getting ready to fell the whole tree. And I don't mind telling you, I'm just a little uneasy, but these guys, I'm telling you, they've done a fantastic job so far. If you're in Northeastern Oklahoma and you need stuff like this done, you need to give these guys a call. Very reasonable. These guys are studs. Alright guys, here we go. Making the initial cut. There it goes. Here we go. What do you think about that? Woo! telling you guys, this is amazing to watch right here. So now, we're cutting it in manageable sized chunks. And then somewhere down the road, I'm going to be cutting up and splitting a lot of this stuff for firewood. Alright, my man Benny is making a climb for the last tree. Skinning it as he goes. I can't say enough about how hard these guys have been working. I'm very impressed. Look at the precision these guys use. This is absolutely amazing. That thing. All right, guys, for Okladoma, we're signing off. Every one of these guys here today has worked their butts off. You need anything done, they are A to Z for a reason, because they do it all. Cody, Benny, Mark, Danny, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And these guys will do you a fantastic job. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll talk to you later.
Thanks, folks.